So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit your profile name on Moomoo. So once you open up the Moomoo app, go down to the bottom right and press on the Me icon. Once you're here, scroll all the way down to where it says Settings and press on that. Now where it says at the top here, Moomoo account, I want you to press on that as well. Now where you're here, you can actually change your profile name by pressing on name just like this, and you can name it whatever you want. So it just gave me this random name with a bunch of numbers, but you can edit this to whatever you're looking for, then press save in the top right once you are done. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to edit your profile name on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.